retype those tough commands. So the next one is width. Now there's one other button you want to check on this, and then I'll turn you over to do the rest of them yourself. So width is going in the tag. Put width in the prompt, and then on your default value, let's just start with 3 foot dash 0 inches. Now before you insert this one, click this little button right down here in the left-hand corner, align below previous. No, you just don't do it. It's done. So click on align below previous, and you should see it pop in right below.
And check the box.
Once you're done with that, I would like you to add this. So then you're going to do height, and let's just put the value in for this one at 5 foot. I want you to do frame, and let's just call it horizontal slider. Glass, probably our most common is UV. Cost, $125. We're just kind of making this stuff up. Now on the cost, when you put the cost in, don't use the dollar sign. Okay? Because we're going to back this out and go to Excel, and it's not going to read it right if you use the dollar sign on that number. Okay, so let's go ahead and add these others. Okay, so when you're done, you should look like this.
Mind if you have that dash in between the 5 feet and the 0 in?
Yes. So write it in architectural units, 5 foot dash 0 inches. Yeah, don't worry about the font. We're going to turn it off anyway. You're never going to see it.
So you'd have this for all your different size windows in your block file. Right. Wow. Does the companies usually have that set up? I mean,
Yeah.
somebody
Yeah.
said they have all their stuff set, so.
Sure, we get a little bit ahead and we've got a drafter kind of spinning their wheels to say, hey, start making some blocks.
Gotcha.
Set us up for the next project. And touch type, is that easier?
Yes. I mean, it's not great ordinarily. No, it's terrible.
Okay, has everybody got it? All right. Once you've done this, now you're ready to make the block. Okay, we've got some information, we got some geometry, but they're not tied together. We use the block process for that. Okay, so I'm just going to do B for block. For a name, let's just call it, I don't know, how about 3-foot window? 3-foot window. Now here's the important part with the block. Okay, wherever you're at, just kind of watch me for a second. Whatever you give it a name, doesn't matter. When you come to select objects and you click to go back out into the screen, I'm going to click on select objects for my block. When I select the attributes and the geometry. Select it all. Okay. And then do the rest of it just as you want. Base point wherever you want it.
What was it titled? Oh, 3 foot. Does the name of it matter?
Nope, it's just a block.
Okay. And then-
Only so that you can recognize it.
I missed that next step.
Okay, you got a name. Then click on a base point, wherever you want it to be. So you can insert it.
Wait, so,
Now when you do select objects on this one, select the geometry and the attribute.
where do you select the base point, on it?
So how do you,
Insertion point, yeah.
Well, I was gonna ask, so when we do a pick point, where do you put your pick point? Just anywhere you wanna insert it?
Yeah, anywhere you want.
Okay.
Usually it's a midpoint or an end point or something. Where are you gonna click it into a drawing as?
okay.
You did it? Okay. Okay, so we did pick point, we did select objects,
And that's it.
and then okay.
Yep. Then whatever your other values are, you know, convert to block, retain, whatever, just say okay. You may get this dialog box that shows your attributes. Just go ahead and say okay to it. And once you make your block, you should see it change, and now you see the values, not the tags.
When you put a window in, is it gonna add these in every single time?
What's that?
Like every time you put a window in from like one of your blocks, is it gonna add in all this text next to it?
Only if you got that verify button clicked on the mode
Oh.
when you did it. Other than that, we're just gonna insert it. And- Yes.
I just figured out how to point.
And just click on select objects right there. Take off that check mark right above. Click there, select everything.
Just the,
No, the attributes too. Yeah, that's it. Enter. Okay. You're done.
and now I hit okay.
Yep. Go ahead and hit it and just make sure, because it should change. Is that okay? Okay.
I got Phillips where there's one section on top. And then that's it.
Okay, you've now got a block with some information in it. Okay. Now, you do not have to see this stuff. Okay. We're going to make the other block real quick, and then we'll come back and just show you how to turn them off because you don't want to see them in your drawing. So we're going to go to the door. I want you to do the same thing, except we're going to use these values. I won't write, I'll just put them up here. So manufacturer for your value, whoever you want. Width, let's do a 3-foot 0 inch. Height, we're gonna do 6 foot 8 inches. Swing, let's just make it a right hand. Actually, I made a left hand symbol, but cost, let's go for $189. Okay.
We don't like this.
You're gonna get next to your door symbol and define all these attributes right next to it. Then we're gonna make a block of it. So you go to ATT define again, and just go through the process again.
Okay, once again, make sure you don't mind
So we're just doing the door, we don't have to go back all the way to labeling it, to saying MNF, doing the
Mhm.
manufacturer.
Yeah, you gotta do all that stuff again.
You do, okay.
Yeah,
Okay, my manufacturing company.
go find it. It's down on the zero property. You might have a button click saying, you know, check on your insertion point. Let me just show you this. When you get into your attribute definition box, right here is an insertion point.
Okay.
You want that to specify on screen. Yours is probably set to 0, 0 in attribute definition.
You want it to say specify on screen.
Oh, mine didn't say specify on screen. Okay. Makes sense.
Well, even if you already did manufacture, you still,
You could have copied it before we made blocks from the other one over, but since we already made a block, you can't copy it anymore. And I
Right.
really kind of wanted to do the process twice.
I see.
Repetition, right?
if I forget to push the button, do I just, I need to make it go under? Do I start over or do I just?
Mine.
No, you got that little button, the line below previous, when you get into your attribute definition box.
Yeah, if I forget to do that though, should I go back?
Yeah, unless you think you can line it up by moving it. You should end up like I've got that right there. I'll go back to here so you can see that.
So you could, under, there's where you are.
Yeah. Once you've got that down, if you think you're good with this and you don't need to go with me, just go ahead and make a block of that. Call it, I don't know, 3-foot 4 or something like that. And then take a break if you need it. We'll get everybody to the same place.
They work.
Was there a command, before we make it a block, so that all of your, defaults show up?
No.
So we can just make it block now?
Yes. Yep. All right. Nobody needs this information anymore? All right, just as a repeat, we're not, if you need, so all I'm gonna do is make a block of this, I pop into it, I'm gonna call it a 3-foot door. Select object, select everything. Come on, computer, catch up. Insertion point, and okay. And okay. So we should have these 2 blocks sitting there in this drawing. All right, if you've got that, good, take a 5-minute break. If you don't have it, raise your hand, I will help you. What's that? Okay, I think you're okay. They kind of don't read real well, kind of like this one, but I wouldn't worry about it for this.